Hello and welcome to week 5. This is Beth, of course, and we're almost at the midterm of this course. We have about 6 weeks left, and now we're going to start working on your research paper, which is your major assignment for this course. We've been dealing with lots of different forms of writing, lots of different genres of writing. Everything from personal narrative to rhetorical analysis to character analysis. We've worked a lot on the revision process that you will be doing a lot in the coming weeks. Now we're going to be working on research proper here. Your research paper, we've talked about it in general terms. I've talked about it in detail with several of you. The topic will be on social media, but you can interpret that any way you want. You might choose a topic of social media that has to do with your career choice, your program interest. If you're a gamer, you might want to think about social media in those terms. If you're a parent, you might want to think about age restrictions or social media in the school system. I have given you, if you will look, I've given you lots of possible topics. Lots of them, some with links here. And I've also talked, if you want to talk about the circle itself, circle compared to the film, or with any of the other things we've been talking about, Gattaca, Black Mirror, 1984, The Handmaid's Tale, Fahrenheit 451, any of those things you might want to look at. This is the week I would like you to come up with a topic, though. Now, our schedule changes a little bit. You know that we've always had assignments only due on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. This week, there is nothing due on Wednesday. Enjoy your Wednesday, have pizza, watch a movie. On Friday, though, underneath activities, you have 2 things due. The first thing is I want you to go into the topic forum. Now is not on the book, but it's on what you've chosen as your topic for the research paper. And I'd like you to just introduce that to your friends and neighbors. You might get some ideas about it. And then also I want a formal proposal. And I had given you a sample of what I want in the formal proposal. In this, I've given you this, but I want 5 parts. First is your topic, your thesis. What argument do you intend to make? Have you researched this topic before? I don't care if you've written a paper on this before. I know social media is a popular topic in high school and in writing classes. I just want to know if you have, to see how this paper can be different. Possible research and any kind of problems. This will be the beginning of our conversation on what you're doing. I will get the possible topics. The possible topics, excuse me. So on Friday, so you have nothing due on Wednesday, you have 2 things due on Friday. And then by Sunday, I want you to respond to at least 2 of your classmates. That means that by Sunday or Monday, you will have plenty of comments on your topic and you will be ready to begin research. You will already have started thinking about it and you will be ready to begin it. Now, the other thing that's important this week is we're going to, in 2 weeks, peer edit our rough drafts. Many of you have done peer editing in classroom situation. We're not in a classroom situation. So we're going to be doing it through G Suite, your G Suite account through Google Docs. I have divided the group up into 5 groups and of 10 people each. And what I would like you to start doing this week, you don't have to do it this week. If not this week, next week, I want you to contact your members through G Suite just to see who's in your group. Have I spelled your name correctly? And by about Wednesday of this week, I would like to share email addresses, just your Lane email addresses with members of your group. So let me know if that's okay with you. If there's a problem, please let me know, and go through this to figure out how to peer edit and how to contact your group members. You probably already know these people through the forum discussions, but we're going to get to know them more. Talk to you later. Let me know if there are any questions. Bye.